Slope as a rate of change. The ratio of A to B is the fraction A over B. A unit ratio is written as A over B with B equal to 1. In this example, write as a unit ratio. If the temperature increases by 6 degrees Fahrenheit over 3 hours, estimate how much the temperature increased per hour. So we write 6 over 3, so our unit ratio is 2 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Formula for rate of change and average rate of change. Suppose a quantity y changes steadily from y1 to y2 as a quantity x changes steadily from x1 to x2. Then the rate of change of y with respect to x is the ratio of the change in y to the change in x, which results in the change in y divided by the change in x equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If either quantity changes but not steadily, then this formula is the average rate of change of y with respect to x. In this example, find the average rate of change of the number of laws enacted. The number of laws enacted by Congress decreased approximately linearly from 498 laws in 2004 to 383 laws in 2010. Source: the Congressional Record. Our slope, m, equals the change in the number of laws enacted divided by the change in years. One of our points is 498 laws in 2004. The other is 383 laws in 2010. Our fraction becomes 383 minus 498 divided by 2010 minus 2004. 383 minus 498 is negative 115. 2010 minus 2004 is 6, which approximates to negative 19.2. The average rate of change is about negative 19.2 laws enacted per year. In this example, a company's profit was $10 million in 2005 and has increased by $3 million per year. Let P be the profit in millions of dollars in the year that is T years since 2005. We want to find the P-intercept of the model. T years is our independent variable and profit P is our dependent variable, which means when we start off with $10 million in 2005, that's the P-intercept of our linear model. So P equals 10. In this example, using the same data, we want to find the slope of the linear model. We start with $10 million in 2005, then it increases by $3 million per year. So that tells us is every year our profit goes up by $3 million. So that tells us that our slope is 3 million. Because it increased, it's positive, so m equals 3. In this example, we want to find the equation of the linear model. For linear models, we want to use y equals mx plus b. We already know our b, which is 10, and our m, which is 3. Our y is p, the dependent variable. Our x is t, the independent variable. So our equation is p equals 3t plus 10. Slope as a rate of change. Slope is a ratio of rise to run. For our unit ratio, the run is 1, meaning our rise is equal to the slope. Our rise is the change in y, and our run is the change in x.